Okay, let's try to do another index. So let's try to use, let's say, green chlorophyll index. Okay, so that's near band number 5 divided by green, which is band number 2. 3. Band number 3. Again, band number 2, si blue. Green is band number 3. 4 is red. 5 is near infrared. So that's 5 divided by 3, then minus the numerical value 1. So let's try to do that again. For this 2, okay, that's a raster calculate. Sorry, minimize natin ito. Raster calculator. Let's try to do the first one, yung ito. Okay, so that's 5. 5 divided by 3 minus, oops, sorry, minus 1. Then let's say this as, ano pangalan niya? CI green. CI green ng 2016 September, sorry, 2016 February 30. See. Okay, so you will notice here, pakita natin sa ano. Okay, nag-scale siya. Okay, kasi meron siya mga, if we're going to look at, ito, yung may mga white spots. Okay, let's zoom in natin ulit. This one is cloud kasi. This one. This one is cloud. So if we're going to look at the CI green, hindi na siya makikita. So nag-ano siya, nag, nag-scale siya, sa mga white. So pwede natin itong i-adjust. So let's try to look at ano ba ang CI green index. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Ano ba yung typical values niya? Saan na ba yun? Ito. The chlorophyll index. Ito. So ano bang range ng values niya? Ah, mga 10. So let's try, no? Let's try to adjust the highest value. Symbology. Okay, highest value say 10. Yun. So let's say 10 na lang muna. Or let's say 5. Ayan. Okay, so 0, say negative 1 to 5. Ayan siya. So chlorophyll index. Okay, let's do this again. Dun sa kabila. Okay, 2020. So that's 5 divided by 3 minus 1. Then let's save it again. But this time, 2020 0701. Save. Raster calculator. Okay, this is 2020. Then let's try to adjust these values. -1 to 5. Okay. Again, you can see the difference between the two. This is for 2020. This is for 2016. And again, we can do the difference again. Raster calculator. This one, 2020 minus 2016. Then let's try to this is difference. The CI green 2020 July 01 minus then apply. Then let's try to adjust this as a -5 to or color again. Let's try to do color. So the range band like this. This is 0. Delete natin to. Yan itong let's use blue for plus. Then minus is 5. Remove this. And then -5. Apply. So negative. Nag-reduce yung chlorophyll yan. But overall, this whole picture, mas nag-increase si chlorophyll, which is consistent dun sa NDVI difference natin kanina. Is that making sense? Questions po? Ha? Okay, okay, sige. Kung walang question dito sa dinemo ko, I will give you time right now to play around. Okay, to play around if you want. Okay. But if you want to do is to do that on your own, that's fine with me. I will upload this recording sa ating Blackboard for your future reference. So yung assignment natin for today is ganun ulit. The same data set that you're going to use, that you did use last week, it's the same data set that you're going to do, but this time you're going to compute for vegetation indices. And then you do again some initial analysis.